If you grew up around a set of wrenches, you know nothing screams timeless performance louder than a second-generation Corvette. And even though the Mopar camp does a pretty good job of representing brute force, and the Blue Oval boys had their fair share of Roadster glory, terms like 327, Muncie, and side pipes are probably some of the first words you remember hearing. Hardened on June 15, 1966, and rolling out of a professional restoration sometime in the not-too-distant past. This drop-top currently reflects code 976 bright blue 2-stage. That blissful pigment highlights a sea of solid fiberglass that, thanks to the rebuild, presents exceptionally well. Of course, that fiberglass wouldn't be as solid had the car not spent most of its life in the possession of dedicated enthusiasts. Between the doors, you'll find a correct bright blue vinyl interior that's been fully restored to factory specifications. Tight vinyl seats frame a thin console that's equipped with a correct chrome shifter. A monochromatic dash hangs rebuilt gauges over a Delco AM/FM pushbutton radio, and a faux Rosewood steering wheel laps a familiar cross-flag emblem. Tilt the hood and you'll find a 327 cubic inch L79 V8 that hangs a 1967 casting date behind a high-performance HT suffix stamp and matching partial VIN. And bolted to that 327 is a Muncie 4-speed that also shows a matching partial VIN. With a rev-happy small block, a tough Muncie 4-speed, and a first-class restoration, the Stingray is a fully sorted classic that virtually spells the term bragging rights. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.